Introduction and goal. NorthStar is a multi-tenant, policy-aware, agentic RAG that accelerates developer onboarding and staffing. In 3 minutes, what it is, how it's built, a fast demo, and what I learned as a solo dev. About the project. NorthStar turns scattered project knowledge into action. It retrieves tenant-scoped context, contrasts project A versus B with an Aurora narrative, and, when policy allows, publishes plans to Jira and Confluence. Aurora is a one-place solution. Depending on your role and role-based access control, you can request Project X versus Project B onboarding plans. Product owners and business analysts can onboard developers to a project, auto-assign Jira work, and continuously monitor staff performance, all policy safe. This project contrast feature can be turned off depending on organization policy. Tech stack and architecture. Stack. Fast API for the API, a background worker for jobs, Postgres for system data, QDrant for embeddings, and Redis for queues. The planner executor uses Meta's Llama models via the Cerebrus API. Tools are first class, like Jira, Epic, Confluence Page, and RAG Search, and role-based access control gates them. Everything is environment-driven, no hard-coded secrets. GitHub webhooks and queue events, the worker processes them, and we keep a full audit trail. Demo, I authenticate as a product owner. The UI uses this JSON web token. Every endpoint enforces tenancy and role. Tenant projects PX and PB are seeded and isolated from other tenants. I upload a short doc to PX, the service chunks, and embeds it into QDR/ANT. Same for PB. Now a contrastive query. Compare auth and role-based access control between PX versus PB. We get citations for provenance and an Aurora narrative that turns differences into a concrete migration plan. With published permissions, the agent creates a Jira epic and a Confluence page. Policy safe because tools are role-based access control gated. As a business analyst, the same call is denied. Policy enforced at the tool boundary. Learning and growth, I built this solo by using LLMs and agents as strategic partners for planning, retrieval prompts, and code scaffolds. It was still a grind. Big lesson, ruthless time boxing and scoping. With better time management, I'd ship a polished product. Close NorthStar, policy compiled retrieval, an Aurora narrative to shrink ramp time, and role-based access control safe automation from retrieval to publish. Thanks for watching.